so a little backstory on today's show. My daughter bugs me all the time during the summer about how dry and cracked my feet look. Because if I'm not in work boots, then I'm probably going to be in flip-flops. So anyway, she's been bugging me. She told me to go out and pick one of these up. It's a Ped Egg. Now she has one of these, but she's like, Dad, you're not using mine. Anyway, so I bought a Ped Egg, and then we're going to steal some of her foot lotion too. And we're going to go outside and give this Ped Egg thing a try and see how it works on my dry, cracked heels. Let's go. Okay, so let's try this out. I've got the little Ped Egg here. Now it says you're not supposed to use this right after you shower. Your skin should be dry and not moisturized, which I guess this is dry. They said it should be also clean, but I don't know if that's clean or not. Anyway, so let's open this up. And that's the blades. So to catch the dust, you want to do it with the blades facing up and it'll catch the dust. So let's give this a try. Kind of feels like a cheese grater on my feet. Anyway, let's do this. Dang. It feels like taking all the skin off, I think. The bad skin, at least. We'll do this for a minute. Now on the other side of the cap, it's got like a little sandpaper thing. And you're supposed to use that after you use this side. So let's do a little bit more. I don't want to do too much. Dang, it's like a cheese grater. Alright, we're done with that. Now let's use the sandpaper, which is supposed to then make it a little bit smoother. Come on guys, you know you want to try this. This is what happens when you're not wearing work boots and you live in flip-flops. Wow, that does feel a lot smoother. My daughter wants me to put some of her foot lotion on it, so we'll try that. Put some of that on next. Okay, I stole some of my daughter's foot lotion. Barefoot, peppermint and plum. Can't wait to try this. Put a little bit of this on here. Dang. I'm going to have to admit, they feel much softer now. So she can't bug me about my dry, cracked heels. Anyway, but what I'm really interested to see is how much that cheese grater got of dead skin off of my foot. So let's check that out. Okay, the moment of truth. This is what I've been waiting for. I want to see how much dead skin this cheese grater, basically Ped Egg cheese grater, got off the bottom of my foot. So let's open it up. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is like DNA fairy dust. You do this stuff outside because you don't want to get this all over your floor. Oh my God, I can't believe how much came off my foot. That is so gross.